Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to get the current time of the video that we're playing. So let's actually get started. And first thing we need to do, since we're actually using that JavaScript executor a lot in many methods, let's actually make it more seen to all the methods. So let's actually move it here. I'm going to create a private Java executor and I'm going to call it JS, same thing. And I'm going to just give it that name. And then after I'm defining the driver as a Chrome driver, let me type JS equal to JavaScript executor and put a semicolon. So now I actually don't have to put it every time I create a new method. Like this, and then remove it from over there. So let's actually go to the topic that we're actually going to do this in this video. So type public, and we're actually going to return a double because we want to return an actual time. So what the JavaScript executor will return is a string or an actual object, and then we're going to convert it from an object to a string and then to a double. So I want to be expecting a double, so it's going to be a public double, and then I'm going to call it get current time. Okay, and then it will return the value that we're going to get. So I'm going to call it time. And double will equal, I'm just going to define a term equal double. And here it's going to give you an error because it's literally nothing at the moment. So let's initialize it as 0 for now. But that's not what we worried about. What we're going to do is actually run a method that returns, a JavaScript method that returns the time. So to do so, all you have to do js.execute script, and then we're going to execute a really easy command, same thing as this, but instead of returning paused, we're going to be returning current time. So we're going to do current time, and I'm getting an error because I have an extra quotation. So I'm going to do it like this. And then what we're actually going to do, we're going to make this equal to an actual object. So I'm going to say object, let's say object time. That's what we're going to call it. obj time is equal to this. And then I'm going to make it to string, so it converts it to string automatically. Now let's actually make this a double. So let's convert that object or this string, since it's to string, to an actual double. So I'm going to type double, or actually not anymore. I'm just going to write time, where we define it over there, is equal to, and then we're going to type double dot parse double, and then we're going to write obj time like this. And actually, it probably is not going to understand it. Let's do that, and then let's remove the string from over here. That will make sense for it. Okay, so time is equal to double, and let's actually try doing that. That was going to give us, oh, didn't give us an error. Okay, that's good. So we created a double. That is, we called it time. It's not defined yet. It's not initialized. And then we're going to execute a command that returns the current time, and we called it object time. And then object time, we converted it from an object to a double, and then over there, so we parsed it, parse double, and then we called this to string to convert it from a string to a double. And then whatever we converted, we're gonna return it. So let's actually put it in an actual function. So let's actually do a system out right here, while when we pause and then do print line, and then let's actually get the current time. Let's do this. So let's actually get it before it paused and after it paused, or actually no, after it paused and after 3 seconds after it paused. So that will give you, let's say, a number, and after 3 seconds it will be the same number. And for playing, we're going to do the same thing. After 3 seconds, we're going to do it again. So it's actually going to see what's going to be happening. So let's run. All right, it's gonna do its thing, pause, play, blah, blah, blah. And then that's not what we actually care about. We care about the value that we're actually returning. All right, I think it's already finished. So here you go. We paused, and then the value was 4. After 3 seconds, it stayed 4 because it makes sense. We are at a pause state. When we went for play, we paused at 4, and after 3 seconds, it became 7. Also makes sense. So that's how you actually build a get current time function to just get you the current time of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.